Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. Today video title is guys how to on auto rotate in Vivo phone. As you want to on guys your auto rotate, so guys you can on it. In this video guys I will show you how to on auto rotate. So guys let's see how to on auto rotate. So guys, first of all open your phone setting to on guys you on auto rotate. Then guys we will have to come on guys display and brightness settings. So guys we will click on display and brightness. Then guys you can see auto rotate screen. So guys we will click here right side. And guys now let's say guys you want to rotate your phone automatic, so guys you can rotate. So guys now you can see and you will do it. So as you can see guys our phone is rotated. So I hope friends you have understood how to on auto rotate in Vivo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching our video guys. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. For guys please go and like and subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.